have almost 4,000 plus. Yes. And we wish midwives in Ghana will try their best for us to have one body, one unified association, because we are divided. The other profession, being the largest union, have succeeded in dividing us. And if you look at the midwifery profession, we deal with 2 lives at a time or more. Midwives deal with 2 lives at a time or more. Midwives are prescribers. When I say we are prescribers, if a pregnant woman comes with malaria to the facility, she goes straight to the midwife at the OPD. That's the antenatal. So it is the duty of the midwife to attend to the woman and diagnose, to get to know that this is the cause, like this is malaria. So we will diagnose and we will treat to ensure that the unborn baby is well and the mother too will be well. Because whatever affects the mother affects the unborn baby. That is why at times you see that when they carry the pregnant woman who is not well, they get to the facility, the woman die with the baby. Because if she is not well, it affects the unborn baby. So we will deal with 2 lives. So I really want to use this, your medium, to call on midwives to come together, to form one union. It's not the matter of NARM-Ghana. If we come together and we can even change the name of NARM-Ghana to be Midwives Group, but we should be one, so that we can also even have our own bargaining certificates.